In the world of commercial door hardware, the hardware one uses to hang a door is among the hardest working hardware there is. Today, doors are typically hung using conventional hinges, continuous hinges, or pivots, with the conventional hinges the most popular way. To the surprise of many new to door hardware, there is a lot to learn about hinges, in part because there are hinges that can accommodate almost every door, frame, and opening condition. This introduction will help familiarize you with some of the basic characteristics of hinges. Hinge manufacturers, such as Ives, include several helpful charts in their catalogs to help one choose the right hinges for an opening. Conventional hinges, also known as butt hinges, are simply two metal plates, also called leaves, joined by a pin and a knuckled barrel. The pin has a tip that keeps the pin from sliding down and out of the barrel. Many hinges are constructed with bearings in the knuckles to provide for a smooth and consistent operation. The number of knuckles that form the barrel is one of the primary characteristics of conventional hinges. 5-knuckle hinges are the most common. 3-knuckle hinges are also well liked because they are considered more attractive because of their cleaner lines. Hinges are also categorized according to one of 4 types: full mortise, half mortise, full surface, and half surface. A full mortise hinge means one leaf is mortised or set into the edge of the door, and the other leaf is mortised into the frame. On full mortise hinges, only the barrel can be seen when the door is closed. Full mortise hinges are the most common type. Ives designates full mortise hinges as type 1. Another key characteristic of conventional hinges is whether the hinge has anti-friction bearings, with ball bearings the most common type. In a 5-knuckle standard weight hinge, ball bearings are placed in 2 of the knuckles, either visible or concealed. Anti-friction bearing hinges are used on fire-rated openings, as well as any opening with door closers or automatic operators. If a hinge does not have any anti-friction bearings, it is referred to as a plain bearing hinge. Plain bearing hinges are routinely used in homes, but are rarely used in commercial facilities. Hinges are also categorized according to standard or heavy weight. As shown in charts and hinge catalogs, the weight of the door and the frequency of use determine if one should choose a heavyweight hinge. Heavyweight hinges are thicker and have more anti-friction bearings than standard weight hinges. The size of a hinge consists of 2 dimensions: the hinge height, which is always listed first, and the hinge width. The height is the length of the hinge barrel excluding the tip. The most common hinge size is 4.5 by 4.5. To determine the height of the hinge for an opening, one must consider the door thickness and door width. To determine the width of the hinge for an opening, one needs to consider how far the door will open and if there will be any trim around the frame. Determining the appropriate hinge width is an area where mistakes are easily made, especially when there is trim around the frame. Remember, charts in the Ives catalog can help you determine hinge sizing. How many hinges does one need on an opening? Doors taller than 5 feet and up to and including 7 feet 6 inches should have 3 hinges. Doors taller than 7 feet 6 inches need 1 additional hinge for each additional 30 inches of door height. The metals the hinges are made from are also an important factor in selecting the right hinge for an opening. Steel or stainless steel hinges must be used on fire-rated openings. Brass, bronze, or stainless steel hinges should be used when the openings will be subject to corrosive environments. If the base metal isn't the desired color, most manufacturers offer plated finishes to match an opening's other hardware. Given what we've covered in this introduction, can you tell me what the Ives model number of 5BB1 4.5 by 4.5 means? If you are thinking it's a 5-knuckle, ball-bearing, full mortise hinge that is 4.5 inches high and 4.5 inches wide, you are correct. How about a 3CB1HW 5 by 4.5? It is a 3-knuckle, concealed bearing, full mortise, heavyweight hinge that is 5 inches high and 4.5 inches wide. To watch more videos, visit our training page at www.allegion.com/US.